Is it giving you an orange? Sit down in your chair and eat.
Did you eat it?
Uh-huh. Say another one, sissy. Nom nom.
That's so weird.
Is that good?
Mika, jeez. Everything's gonna have to be sanitized.
Nummy.
Two more.
Okay.
Oh, fighting with Addison.
What'd you look at me for? To tell her to give it to you?
Cheese everywhere. And it's all
Nummy.
over his stomach.
Ooh, you're gonna be all sticky. Here it is. You want another one?
Yeah.
Nummy orange.
Here's like the extra cherry part.
Right. Nummy.
Spit it back out.
Stringy.
How many times is he gonna do that?
Till he gets it. Is that good stuff? Is that good? Is that a nummy orange?
He's eaten the same piece like 3 times.
Nummy. Get the other piece. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Num num. Is that good? Hey, you want to clean up your mess? Clean up your mess.
You keep spitting that piece out and putting it back into his mouth.
Hey, look how cute I am, sissy.
He really likes raisins.
Oh, he was challenged. He had raisins and he had Nilla wafers.
Yum, those are the best.
Clean up your mess.
Or make a bigger one.